हेलो, एयरलाइन पायलट बनना चाहते हैं आप पर पता नहीं कहाँ शुरू करें, फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या होना चाहिए? Don't worry, you've come to the right spot. Aviation Sierra Academy. We are a one-stop shop to fulfill all your needs to help you become an informative and successful airline pilot and get you on your way to your dream job. But before I get started, let's make sure that you are between the ages of 17 and 28 and you passed your 12th with math and physics. अगर आपने math and physics नहीं लिए थे, don't worry. We will help you clear those with NIOS. At ASA, we have customized 4 stages that create a path of success for all our students, from fresher to an airline pilot. Stage 1. Stage 1 में है आपका medical and आपका DGCA theory exam. ASA will be with you throughout the process to help make sure you have everything you need to clear your medical exam and help you prepare for your DGCA theory exams. DGCA stands for Directorate General of Civil Aviation. ये aviation industry को regulate करती है और अपने ही exams करवाती है. There are about 3 to 5 different exams, and that depends on which country you choose to go to for your commercial pilot license. Moving on. Stage 2. Now comes the fun part, learning how to fly and earning your commercial pilot license. For this, you can choose flying schools from South Africa, USA, Canada, or even India. ये courses approximately 8 to 12 months लंबे होते हैं. We have connections with flight schools in each of those countries, and we will make sure to get you all the information you need to help you through the process and make sure that your transfer there and your time there is easy and safe. Once that is done, ASA will help you convert your foreign CPL to Indian CPL. Stage 3. That is for if you are wanting a training in a particular aircraft like A320 and B737. You'll need to go to either Indonesia, Spain, or Colombia to get your type rating, your TR. We will also help you convert those to the Indian TR. Stage 4. This is it. This is what you've been working towards. ASA will help you prepare for your job entrance exam and your interview process. This is your time to shine, to show off all your skills and everything you've learned and get your dream job. When you do get that dream job, all we ask is that you let us know so we can celebrate with you. And of course, reviews are helpful too. Hope all this information that I just shared with you made you realize how easy we make this process for you. Please feel free to reach out should you have any questions, and hopefully we'll see you in our classrooms soon. Goodbye.